I was having a look on the internet to buy something that we need, and came across this little Vintar. It's a motion activated LED nightlight. It has 16 different colours, and it's activated by this little motion sensor here. It has a button that you can control the light on. We'll get to that in a few minutes. But the main reason for this is we have young children in the household, and they have a tendency of forgetting to turn the light off at night time. Now I'm going to open this up now and just take it out of the packet. Pop that off. It comes out there. It has three little batteries that go in here, three little AA, and this fits over the necessary section on the loo itself. We'll bend that into position shortly, and that's where the LED light displays on the back there. So I'll have to pop that open, and we'll get three AA batteries and put them in position and see what it does. Now it's an interesting little device. It won't activate during the day. It has a light sensor inside, so it'll only activate at night time, and it'll be a motion sensor that basically turns the internal light on. You can set it by holding down the button, holding it for a few seconds. It will open the circuit and the light should come on, as you can see there. Hold it again, it should turn blue. Now when it's blue, you can actually cycle through the different colours to whatever you want to do it at, and just by clicking the button we can actually change the intensity of the light or the colour, as you can see here. And if we hold it down again for a couple of seconds, it turns green. Now you just touch the button, you can adjust the brightness of it, and once you get to the dimming value that you'd like, you just simply hold the button down for a couple more seconds. It'll flick a couple of times and then it'll just simply go off. Now here is a site that I think most people on the planet are familiar with. So we'll just zoom in a little bit. Now I'm going to turn the light off and do a little bit of movement in here. And there you go. I'll zoom in a bit more. And we have magic lights to keep the kids happy. It's the 16 colours cycling through at the moment. It's just a little LED night light to make it easy for the kids to find the toilet. So you've got to move your legs around a little bit, and it senses it. So if you're not there, well, it shuts itself down. Not certain how long the battery will last, but it'll be a bit of fun trying it.
Green! Oh, that's awesome. Blue. Our grandson's going to be running up here all night looking at this. Oh my god.
It's pretty nifty, isn't it? A bit of fun.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so it's just motion sensor. So as the door opens, it switches on. Now if you were to switch the light behind you, just switch the light on behind you there, that'll automatically turn it off.
Oh, cool.
So when you switch off again and you put a bit of motion, bit of movement, move the door, it's active again. What have you done? Well, oh, what?